In today's video, we're going to be making a choker, a little pearl choker that you can easily make to give away at the end of the year or for any special occasion to a young person. I would say anybody 30 and younger, they would love that. Personally, I would love it too because I think it's absolutely cute. So what we'll need for this project is going to be, first is your wire. I'm using the 19 strand, which is the middle flexible, but you can go a little bit more flexible if you want. It just costs double the amount of money, okay? So just so you know that. I'm using some little glass bead pearls that are 4 mm, so 4 millimeters here. And I'm going to center it with a cute little pink Hawaiian flower. You'll need a couple of crimp bead covers, which are optional, and a lobster clasp to close it. Now, I'm going to make this necklace, or this choker I should say, without any jump rings. So if you don't have any jump rings, not to worry, you don't need it. But if you want to add them, you can as well, okay? So let's get started. And when we hit our center point, we're gonna go ahead and put in our little flower here. Coming along well. All right, and we've got our choker ready to go. And now that we've completed this part, we're gonna go ahead and feed our crimp bead here. Then our lobster clasp. And then that wire goes through the crimp bead. We pull it, we make a nice little snug closure, such as that, right there. All right, and now we've got everything settled with the lobster clasp, and on this other little end here, remember we don't have jump rings. We're gonna go ahead and open up our extension chain because I like to put extension chains. Sometimes people are ordering these as gifts and they're not quite sure how wide the person's neck is, and so we can go ahead and just open these just like you would a jump ring and attach it right there to the very end. And then you have like an extra 1.5 to 2 inches to play with in case the person likes it a little bit on the looser side. Remember, chokers are supposed to be right up to the neck, so they have that classic look of a choker. And there you have it. So now we can go ahead and complete the extension. Look at that, how cute. Guys, give this video a like. Share it with someone you think might like it or might enjoy the content so that they can start creating as well. Again, if you want to purchase it, it is in my store. The link is in the description. For now, I will catch you guys on another video. Have a great one.